Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am gonna do a little makeup routine for you guys, and we're going away to dinner tonight, and I thought you might as well join and we do this together. So I want to do a makeup that is not just a casual one, because it's not often I get the chance to dress up. I'm sorry, I do have two dogs here in the background whinging a little bit, but hey, who cares? And I wanted to do something a little bit more extra, so I thought let's do a little bit more than casual, but not too much. So yes, let's go. So what I want to start with today is actually this one. There we go. So this one is from the Maybelline brand. Like, I don't have much of it left, but it's a concealer. And to make it easier, I have actually taken off the sponge. So as you can see, it's gone. Because I reckon a lot of the product gets stuck in the sponge. But what I usually do is that I put... So I'm just gonna put some concealer underneath the eyes, on top of the nose. So there we got the concealer, you guys, just on top there. And now I'm gonna continue with my foundation, and look, we're doing L'Oreal Paris for this one. It is the 32 Hour Wear Fresh Wear, and I'm just gonna put that together. So there we go. So we are mixed with foundation and concealer. And then I'm gonna just blend it out. So here guys, I got my base on right now, and I thought we're gonna continue. So the next step I want to do is bronzer, and I do have two different ones. So one is from the L'Oreal called Jolie Bronze Sun Powder Face and Body, lovely. And the other one, which is a bit dirty, but I've used it quite a lot, it's the Chi Chi one. I don't know if you guys have tried it, but it says Brazilian Goddess on it, and it is more of like it goes from lighter to darker. And I think we're gonna do that one today, because that was a wee while ago since I used that one. And I think, if I remember this right, this one is quite pigmented. Or pigmented. Sorry, I'm a little bit unsure about that word in English, but pigmented, whatever. It is a good one anyway, which is pretty amazing, because Chi Chi is actually not a very high-end brand, which I love, and Chi Chi is also cruelty-free, which is another one. So there you go guys, if you're looking for a cruelty-free brand, you got Chi Chi. And I love Chi Chi. So there we go. Now we got the base and we got the bronzer on as well, which I'm feeling pretty happy about today. I feel like it has turned out pretty good, and I am pleased. So now let's look. I want to have some blush on. This one is from Shiseido. It is super cute, and it is cream, so it looks like this. As you can see, it's well used. It's well used, so that's alright. And I'm gonna put on a little bit. You don't need much. I'm just like little tipping it in there. There we go. Now we got some color on there. Maybe we just have a little bit more color. And we're mixing it in a little bit. And I'm using a little bit on my nose as well to get some color there. Lovely. Okay, let's do the next one, which will be a little bit of highlighter. This one is from Hourglass. It's well used, but it looks like that. Nice, so there we go. So then I am continuing with my Real Technique brushes. I love these, but to be fair, I need to give them a good clean, and I also need to buy some new ones, I would say. because I have had this for quite some time and I can sense that I want to give a few new, like some other brushes a try, because I think they've actually done their part in life. So there we go. We got some highlighter. Okay guys, so for my eyeshadow I have 3 different palettes that I'm a little bit unsure to use. So we got the Neutralize 2 from Australis, which looks like this. Beautiful colors actually, I love that. And then we got the Chi Chi, like, oh, I love Chi Chi's like eyeshadow palettes because they're so big and they're a good price and they have beautiful colors. So this one is called the Nude, super nude even. And then we got this one, which is the Chi Chi Pastels and Dreams. And as it is the Barbie season at the moment, I was thinking about this one. I think it could be quite fun actually. I'm gonna start with this one as a layer for my eye. So there we go, we got our little eyeshadow base on there. And then I thought maybe we should do a little bit of pinkish. I do like this one, which is like the second one right there, because it is like a shimmery one and I do like shimmer. So I was thinking, we should do this one on the eyelid actually. So it's on. I don't know if you guys can see because I realized it was quite, it wasn't so bright as I thought, which I quite like. But I thought maybe we should actually try this one just underneath for here. Or if we should go darker and do that one. But I think that one gets a little bit too dark. So I'm gonna do this one. There we go. So let's add some, I'm gonna continue. I think I might put a little bit more just under the eyebrows. So I want to do the lashes now to see how it actually looks. So for that I'm using the High Sky mascara. There we go. The High Sky mascara from Maybelline. And I am quite happy with it. I've tried the other one, but I wanted the darker black because I do love when the lashes do look really dark. See? So there we go. There we have our mascara on, and so far I am pleased. And we're just gonna do a little bit more of this one, and I'm just gonna put the it almost looks like it could be in Frozen to be honest, but it is this one here. See, a little bit blue-ish. And I'm gonna put it just underneath my eyebrows before I do them. I think I am pretty pleased. So I only have one thing left, or maybe 2, and that is at least the eyebrows, and then something to have on my lips, right? For my eyebrows, I am using at the moment, I think this one is called Perfect Eye. I'm a little bit sure where it is from. It is an eyebrow styling gel. So I do quite like it. I do have different tips. So you got a long one, and it does have a shorter one as well. And I usually use the shorter one at the base, but I can't decide which one is the best, of the long one or the shorter one. There we go. Let's have a look if I should put some on my lips. Yes, I do have this one, which is a little bit more pinky, that I thought could suit with the eyeshadow. Alright, so I am done, you guys, for dinner, and I am quite pleased actually with the outcome of the makeup today. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!